Welcome back everyone to another pro tips video. We are looking at Outlook and how to add an email account in Outlook. So if you go to control panel, then you've got your mail applet, and with the mail applet you go to profiles, you select the right profile and then email accounts. Then here you can add your new account that you add in here. Then if you have Office 365 or Gmail, the first page works perfect. You put your name and your surname, or this would be the display name on the recipient side. You put the email address and your user and password. Straightforward. If it's a POP or IMAP, go to Manual Setup, click Next, and then choose POP and IMAP. Next, and then you should populate all of these. If there's any particular settings that your service provider requires you to put in, I'll show you now where to put that. Let me just quickly get this going so that I can show you. And there we go. No, not yet. Okay, so once you have all your details and you put your user and password, you can click on More Settings. Then here in More Settings, there is outgoing server, which usually needs to be set that it requires authentication. And then also you should take note of the advanced settings. You can specify the incoming server port number and the outgoing server SMTP port number, and if there's any encryption to be used. This will be supplied by your service provider, and it's quite important to know where to set these in order to set an account up successfully. The delivery option here at the bottom, I'm going to do a separate video on this because it's quite important, and I will do a separate video on this now, the next video. But do take note of this and the settings in there, and I'll explain why it is significant in the next video. And then you just hit next. It'll test the account settings, and if successful, you're done. You've got an email account added. I'm not going to add an email account right now, or I'll add an email. I'm not going to add an email account right now. But yeah, that's it for Outlook. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.